Welcome to session number 2 of chapter number 5, arithmetic progression of class 10 mathematics. In the last session we have seen the definition of arithmetic progression, that arithmetic progression is the list of numbers in which each term is obtained by adding a fixed number to its preceding term except the first term. Okay, और उसमें हम लोग different type of questions भी देखे थे based on definition, and we have started the exercise also. We have completed first question also. So now the remaining questions I am going to start. The question number 2. So exercise 5.1, question number 2. First bit. I am reading the question. Write first 4 terms of the AP when the first term A and the common difference D are given as follows. So the value of A is given 10 and the value of B is given 10. Okay, so what is the first term? A. A1 is A only, that is 10. And what is the second term? Second term A1 plus D. We have to add the fixed number to its preceding term. तो फिक्स्ड नंबर जो है वो 10 है एंड प्रीसीडिंग टर्म इज A1, दैट इज 10 plus 10 is 20. Now A3 will get the preceding term A2 plus D, that is 20 plus 10 is equals to 30, right? And the fourth term we have to write first 4 terms, right? So A3 plus D, preceding term A4 का क्या है? A3. So A3 में D ऐड करेंगे, that is 30 plus 10 is equals to 40. So first 4 terms of the AP are 10, 20, 30, 40. Right? This is the first bit. Now the second bit, A is equals to -2 and D is equals to 0. पिछले सेशन में हम लोग देखे थे 4 एग्जाम्पल्स देखे थे. उसमें एपी का जो वैल्यू था, एक में द कॉमन डिफरेंस, द वैल्यू ऑफ कॉमन डिफरेंस इज नेगेटिव आल्सो, पॉजिटिव आल्सो एंड जीरो आल्सो. ठीक है, तो अगर डिक्रीजिंग ऑर्डर में है, if the numbers are in decreasing order, the value of D is negative. If the numbers are in increasing order, the value of D is positive. And if the same numbers are there, repetition numbers are there, same numbers, तो value of D जो होगा 0 होगा. Okay, so here the first term, that is A1 is A itself, that is -2, and A2 is we are adding the fixed number to its preceding term. -2 plus fixed number is 0. A3, A2 plus D, -2 plus 0 is -2. A4, A3 plus D, -2 plus 0 is -2. Okay, so therefore first 4 terms are -2, -2, -2, -2. Okay, so this is the second bit. Now we are moving towards the third bit. A is equals to 4 and D is equals to -3. ओके, सो यहाँ पे D नेगेटिव है. फर्स्ट एग्जाम्पल में D पॉजिटिव था फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन में, सेकंड में 0 था, भी थर्ड में नेगेटिव आ गया. सो A1 इज इक्वल्स टू A itself. A2 each term is obtained by adding the fixed number, that is -3 to its preceding term. That you have to keep in your mind. A1 plus D, that is 4 plus -3, we are getting 1. A3, A2 plus D, A2 is 1 and the fixed number is -3, so we are getting -2. A4, A3 plus D, A3 is -2 plus -3, that is equals to -5. So first 4 terms are 4, -1, -2, -5. Okay, now let us move towards the fourth bit. Fourth bit is A is equals to -1 and D is equals to 1/2. Right? So यहाँ पे जो D है जो फ्रैक्शन में है, So first of all, A1 is A itself, that is -1. A2 क्या होगा? A1 plus D. So -1 plus half. This is equals to -half, right? And A3 is A2 plus D. What is A2? -half. D is half. So we are getting 0. A4, A3 plus D. So A3 is 0 plus half is half itself. So first 4 terms are -1, -1 by 2, 0 and 1 by 2. Okay. So now we are moving towards the fifth bit. Fifth bit is A is equals to -1.25. A is equals to -1.25 and D is equals to -0.25. -0.25, right? तो यहाँ पे क्वेश्चन फिर से देख लेते हैं सही. -1.25 -0.25, right? So the first term is A itself, -1.25, and the second term A1 plus D, right? -1.25 plus -0.25, दोनों माइनस में है तो ऐड करेंगे विद माइनस साइन, -1.50, और you can write -1.5 also. A3, A2 plus D. A2 is -1.50 plus -0.25, ये हो जाएगा -1.75. Okay. Now the last A4 is A3 plus D. Okay, A3 is -1.75 and D is -0.5. So this will be equals to -2.0 or -2. So first 4 terms are -1.20, -1.50, -1.75, -2. -2.0, -2. Okay. So second question completed. Now we'll move towards the third question. Right. Third question, मैं question read कर रहा हूँ. For the following APs, write the first term and the common difference. So third question, first bit. AP is given, we have to write the first term and the common difference. 3, 1, -1, -3, so on. So first term to it is very easy. So here A is equals to 3. And D is equals to A2 minus A1, right? कभी भी A1 minus A2 नहीं करना, that will be wrong. Second term minus first term or third term minus second term, right? So second term is 1 and the third term is -3, first term. So we'll get -2. So कई लोग जल्दी में क्या कर देते हैं, 3 - 1 2 लिख लेते हैं. तो ऐसा नहीं करना है. तो उसके लिए very simple concept you have to keep in your mind that if the list of numbers are decreasing, so D should be negative. D must be negative. If the list of numbers increasing, D is positive. तो मान लो decreasing में अगर जल्दबाजी में positive आ गया, for example 3 - 1 कर दिया 2 आ गया, so उसी समय आपको क्लिक करना है, आपको क्लिक होना चाहिए कि अरे decreasing में है, this is decreasing, it should be negative. So you have to recheck. Okay, so this is the answer of the first bit. The second bit, -5, -1, 3, 7. See, this is increasing order में है. So the D will be positive for this. So here A is equals to -5 and D is equals to A2 minus A1. that is minus 1 minus of minus 5. Okay, so minus minus plus हो जाएगा यहाँ पर and we'll get 4. Third bit 1 by 3, 5 by 3, 9 by 3 and 13 by 3, so on. So ये भी increasing में है. So here the value of A is 1 by 3 and the value of D is A2 minus A1, that is 5 by 3 minus 1 by 3. दोनों का denominator same है, so we can take LCM. So we got 4 by 3. This is the common difference. Now the fourth bit 0.6, 1.7, 2.8, 3.9, so on. So here the first term is 0.6 and the common difference is A2 minus A1, right? So 1.7 minus 0.6, so 1.1 आ रहा है. So this is the common difference, that is 1.1. So 4 bits over. Now we'll move towards the fourth question. Fourth question में 15 bits हैं. So we'll start with the first one. We have to identify that whether it will form an AP or not. अगर AP form कर रहा है तो उसका common difference लिखना है, and we have to write 3 more terms. Okay. So first is 2, 4, 18, 16, so on. So यहाँ पे A1 is 2, A2 is 4, A3 is 8 and A4 is 16. The difference between these two, see, the difference between these two is 2 and this 2 is 4. अलग अलग है. That means this is not from an AP. So A2 minus A1 वो हम लोग को दिखाना पड़ेगा. To A3 minus A2 is 4. Right? Now since the difference between each consecutive term is not same, therefore it does not form an AP. ओके, सो अदरवाइज इसको ऐसे भी कंक्लूड कर सकते थे A2 minus A1 is not equals to A3 minus A2, so therefore it does not form an AP. वैसा भी कंक्लूजन लिख सकते थे. So that is also correct. This is also correct. Okay. Now the second one is 2, 5 by 2, 2, 5 by 2, 3, 7 by 2, so on. Right? So यहाँ पे A1 is 2, A2 is 5 by 2 and A3 is 3 and A4 is 7 by 2. If you see carefully, यहाँ पे half बढ़ते जा रहा है. 2 plus half 5 by 2, 5 by 2 plus half 3, 3 plus 1, 5 by 2 plus half is 3, 3 plus 1 by 2 is half is 7 by 2. Right? So we can write directly that since each term is obtained by adding 1 by 2 to its preceding term, so therefore it forms an AP. Right? लेकिन क्योंकि बोर्ड एग्जाम में हम लोग को स्टेप्स के साथ में शो करना रहता है, इसलिए हम लोग ये वाला प्रोसीजर फॉलो करेंगे. सो A2 माइनस A1, राइट, A3 माइनस A2 और A4 माइनस A3, ये 3 डिफरेंस हम लोग निकालेंगे. सो सबसे पहले A2 माइनस A1, 5 by 2 minus 2 half and 3 minus 5 by 2 is also half and 7 by 2 minus 3 is also half. Right? Now we'll conclude that since the difference between each consecutive terms same, therefore it forms an AP. So same क्या आया था? D that is 1/2, right? AP है तो हम लोग को कॉमन डिफरेंस भी निकालना. We have to find common difference also and we have to write 3 more terms. So fourth term तक दिया है तो A5 निकालना है. A5 होगा A4 plus D, right? A4 is 7/2. 7/2 plus 1/2 is 4. A6 A5 plus D, 4 plus half is 9/2, and A7 A6 plus D, that is 9/2 plus half is 5. So these are the 3 more terms of the AP. So now we are going towards the third bit. So these type of questions are important for only 1 mark type of question, right? Objective में ऑब्जेक्टिव क्वेश्चन हो गए, MCQ और fill in the blanks और 1 mark question. Now the third bit is minus 1/2, 1.2 and minus 3.2, minus 5.2, minus 7.2, so on. Okay. So here A1 is minus 1.2, A2 is minus 3.2, A3 is minus 5.2, A4 is minus 7.2. Now we are going to find the difference between each consecutive terms, that is A2 minus A1. Okay. A2 is minus 3.2, minus of minus 1.2. This will become plus. So minus 3.2 plus 1.2 will be minus 2, and A3 minus A2 minus 5.2 minus of minus 3.2. So ये भी minus minus plus हो जाएगा. Here also we are getting minus 2. A4 minus A3, that is minus 7.2 minus of minus 5.2. So this will also become plus. So here also we are getting minus 2. Okay. Now how will we write? Since the difference between each consecutive term. Okay. Since the difference between each consecutive terms is same, therefore it forms an AP. So now we have to write D. Same आया था minus 2. Now next 3 terms we have to write. So सबसे पहले A5 लिख लेते हैं. A4 plus D. What is A4? Minus 7.2 plus minus 2, that is minus 9.2. A6 A5 plus D, minus 9.2 plus minus 2, minus 11.2. Okay. A7 A6 plus D, that is minus 11.2 plus minus 2, minus 13.2. Okay. So now we are going towards the fourth bit. Fourth bit is minus 10, minus 6, minus 2, 2, so on. So here, what is the first term? A1 is minus 10, A2 is minus 6, A3 is minus 2, and A4 is 2. Right? Now we'll find A2 minus A1 first. Minus 6 of minus 10. So minus 6 plus 10 will be 4. A3 minus A2. right? A3 is minus 2, minus of minus 6, minus 2 plus 6, it is also equals to 4. Now A4 minus A3, 2 minus of minus 2, that is 2 plus 2 is equals to 4. Now all the differences are same, so we'll conclude that since the difference between each consecutive terms is same, therefore it forms an AP, right? So here, what is the value of B? The fixed same number, the same difference, common difference, that is 4. Now we have to find the next three terms. So A5. A5 is A4 plus 4. What is A4? 2. So 2 plus 4 is 6. Okay. And what is A6? A5 plus 4. That is 6 plus 4 is 10. And what is A7? A6 plus 4. That is 10 plus 4 is 14. So we are getting 6, 10 and 14. Now you might be thinking about that A7 का formula A plus 6D भी होता है, हम लोग वैसे क्यों नहीं कैलकुलेट कर सकते? A7 is equals to A plus 6D. You can calculate by using this formula also. लेकिन थोड़ा से देखो इस फॉर्मूला में कितना एक्सरसाइज करना पड़ रहा है. A is minus 10, एक नेगेटिव नंबर आ गया, 6 into 4, so minus 10 plus 24, एक पॉजिटिव एक नेगेटिव, again we have to subtract, so we are getting 14. So instead of using this formula, I suggest you that you add the fixed number to the preceding term. That is the definition of arithmetic progression. Okay, so now only 4 bits we are able to complete, and the rest 11 bits we will complete in next session. Okay, so that's all for today's session. Thank you very much.